In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to generate an extra $100 per day doing affiliate marketing. Now, let me show you some of my results. As you can see on the screen, this is one of the private affiliate networks that I was promoting. This report is from April of 2020, and the total profit is $3,555. Although I made money with this private network, the thing here was I couldn't scale these affiliate results because I was building other companies' brand. And here is one of the most powerful tips I'm going to give you in this video is that you need to build your own brand and you need to build your own email list, because you don't know if in the future that private affiliate network is going to be able to promote more products. So that is why you need to build your own brand, capture your own leads, and build your own email list. Now, let me show you. This is the right way you need to do affiliate marketing in 2023. As you can see in the screen, here we have the traffic, and you need to put an opt-in page that is going to capture an email and name, and then this information is going to go to a software which is an autoresponder, and then you are going to be able to send emails to your own leads. For example, you can send the first email information, the second email could be more information, the third email more information, and in the fourth email you can send to them the product that you are promoting. Now, where are going to find the traffic to this opt-in page? So the traffic, you can use YouTube, Facebook, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and LinkedIn. And as you can see, I have here the affiliate offer, and the affiliate offer could be a course, a software, or a physical product from Amazon if you want to promote Amazon products. In this video, I'm going to show you how I collect leads using this opt-in page. As you can see in the screen, this is an opt-in page that I made on ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a software that you can use to build your landing pages or opt-in pages. And here I'm talking about if people want to know how to make money by creating 5-second silent videos without needing a product, having a following or experience, and while still working a 9-to-5 job, they can click here, yes, give me instant access, and I'm going to send to them the free masterclass, which is a webinar, a free training, and also an ebook. As you can see in the screen, you can use this software to create your own landing pages. For example, you can put here headlines, you can write more words, change the colors of the buttons if you want, put pictures, and I pay a monthly fee to use ClickFunnels. But some people don't want to pay monthly to use a funnel builder, and that's why I'm going to put another link in the description for this new software. The name is Gofunnelbox, and basically you can do the same things of ClickFunnels and get the response. You can use it to build your opt-in pages, landing pages, automation workflows, and this software is only one-time payment. If you want to get access to Gofunnelbox, I'm going to put also the link in the description. Maybe you are wondering why people are going to put their information in your opt-in page. That is why the most important thing when you are creating your opt-in page is that you need to put there a lead magnet. And that lead magnet could be an ebook, a free affiliate marketing training, or a free webinar. This is my example. When people put their email address and their name, they are going to access a masterclass, which is a webinar. Then I'm going to send to them my free training, and also I'm going to send to them a free ebook. The goal right now for you guys is that you need to build your own opt-in page, create your own YouTube channel, and put that opt-in page on all your social media, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, TikTok, so you can start driving traffic to your own funnel, start collecting leads, and give to your subscribers value, and then you can promote your affiliate products to your own audience. I hope that you got value from this video, and if you like this information, subscribe to my channel because I am uploading videos almost every single day to help you in your affiliate marketing journey. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.